Airplanes soar through the sky thanks to the incredible science of lift. As the engines roar to life, they push the plane forward, while the wings work their magic. Air moves faster over the top of the wing, creating lower pressure above and higher pressure below. This difference lifts the plane off the ground. But it doesn't stop there. The jet engines generate thrust by burning fuel, propelling the aircraft forward. However, drag, caused by air resistance, tries to hold it back. Pilots skillfully adjust speed and angle to conquer this force. Once the plane reaches cruising altitude, it glides smoothly, balancing lift and drag, allowing us to travel great distances in the blink of an eye. Isn't it fascinating how physics takes us to the clouds?